Lesson 4. Safety reminders. We must be careful all the time. We must follow safety rules everywhere. Do not play with matches and lighters. Use knives and sharp objects carefully. Never climb trees near power lines. Get on and off the bus slowly and safely. Cross the road on the zebra crossing. Do not push each other on stairs.